Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Sparkle with Jyoti. Oh my god, I am shooting after such a long time this sit down video, and I'm extremely sorry for that. But the thing is that my daughter's schools have started, and then I had to do in schooling. What is in schooling? There is a new video coming up maybe today or tomorrow, and yeah, you'll be able to see what is in schooling and how it goes and what is the process of in settling down children in school. So that is exciting. And on the other note, actually I had put up a poll on YouTube what kind of videos you want to see, and almost like I think 70 to 80% people said you want to see the updated job market situation in Sweden. So your wish is my command, and this video is all about the job market in Sweden. So if you're interested in this topic, then please keep on watching. So, guys, before I start talking about this topic, please go down there and right now, just go and hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you are notified of my each and every video and you get so much of useful information what I talk about in this particular channel. So, I hope you have subscribed, and that if you have not, then please do so. It will mean the world to me. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So, guys, I do not want to sugarcoat anything in this video. I'm going to be straightforward because I'm done with sugarcoating and telling you good things. Of course, there was good things, there were good things, there are good things in Sweden. But thing is that I have to show you the other side as well. And I do not want to give you any false hopes or any false news. I want to be really upfront so that you can decide your life. Because I know that so many of you ask me and DM me and email me about your life decisions, whether you want to move to Sweden or you can move to other countries. So let me tell you guys that right now the situation is not the utmost in the good way. Right now situation is really very uncertain, and a lot of job cuts are happening in Sweden. And a lot of big companies, like for example Volvo, CVT, then HCL, a lot of people are firing people from jobs, and that is going on like from March onwards. And today, like this is September month, and still Volvo has said like they are going to let go of few people in this month. So I do not want to bad mouth anybody, but situation is like that. There are no sales happening, and whenever there is a recession or whenever the market goes down, the first industry which is hit is the car market, right? Because nobody wants to buy cars. It's a huge investment and it's a dead investment. There's just no use, or you're not going to get any returns if you are buying a car, right? So that is the situation here. And so many of people have told me that you have been applying for jobs but you are not getting any response, and you are not getting jobs. But that is but obvious, guys. You know the situation what is going on in all around the world, and everywhere job market is down, business is down, economy is down. So obviously it's going to take some time for everything to be stable and everything to rise again. But don't lose hope, guys. There is still hope. And this year I am not sure, but definitely next year there will be a lot of openings and there will be a good rise in the economy. So be hopeful, and I think this is the time. Just you have to be patient, and also acquire skills. I have been speaking about this from the time lockdown has started, that please acquire new skills. Do some good courses in your particular field, or even if you want to switch the field, this is the right time to get new skills, to do new courses. If you want to switch your career, you can do that as well. The only thing is that right now is the time to really think positive and up your game. That is what I wanted to tell you about. Because there are so many like for example, if you're an engineer, you can do some course, like you can add some languages to your kitty. Like you can do Java or .NET. All these languages are really popular and they are gaining momentum. And definitely digital marketing online is going to be the future in the next 5 years, as I've mentioned in several of my videos. So I highly urge you and request you to learn new skills, even languages for that matter. So if you are planning or if you have decided to come to Sweden, please start learning Swedish language, okay? Because I really request you and urge you and really beg of you that if you want to come in Sweden, there is no other way. You cannot escape the Swedish language, okay? Because even though a lot of companies do speak English, and English may be the primary language of the company. Still, a lot of meetings and a lot of other things goes on in Swedish. And it's very important if you learn Swedish, because that will open many doors for you. People will trust you, and also you will get a lot of opportunities and gates and doors open, for you, and you don't have to compromise then. Because what happens when you don't learn language, you have to compromise on your career, or you might have to take another job which you don't like, or you just have to do for the sake of money. But if you know Swedish language, then that will not be the case, and you will be able to command the job market. You'll be able to do the job which you really love and which. So guys, please learn Swedish language, and I have also given you a lot of resources and a lot of websites to learn. And that is I'm going to make a separate video on that, and what kind of websites you can use to learn Swedish, what kind of techniques you can use to learn Swedish language, so that will benefit you. And yeah guys, so this is what I wanted to update you. And I know many of you have asked me whether how is the situation in Sweden and about the rights and all that. So yes, it did happen here in Sweden, but not where I live in Gothenburg, and the incident happened in Malmo. That is a little, I think, 4 or 5 hours away from here. So I am totally fine, guys. Thank you so much for inquiring. That was so sweet of you. And I am totally fine. But yes, definitely, situation is changing in Sweden. I have been talking about it like past 2 years. Situation has changed. The environment, the atmosphere is little bit changed from the time when I came like 5 years back. And but I highly believe that instead of focusing on the negative, we should focus on the positive and what is in our hands. Okay, and what is in our hands is learning the language, integrating in the Swedish culture. If you are living here, if you want to like settle down here, if you want to do something in life here, if you want to work here, and if you want to settle down your kids here and yourself, then you need to integrate in the Swedish culture, imbibe the values, imbibe the language, just try to integrate in the culture, so that you become a part of the culture, and that's how you will and you can grow in Sweden. Okay, so even that, I have also realized the same thing, and that's what I am doing. I have been learning the Swedish language past 2 years on and off, but it was I due to my other responsibilities, I'm not able to dedicate that much time. But definitely I have never left it, and I'm still focusing on that, and I'm still trying to learn the language. I am definitely, I can speak, but I'm not that fluent, native fluent, which is required for to settle down here. Okay, but definitely I am not giving up. I am definitely trying my best every day to learn the language, and you should too. So yeah guys, so overall the situation is that like that. So if you are applying for jobs in Sweden, then do be patient, because I feel that after January 2021 the market will open and you will get a lot of opportunities. So right now just apply and get into the websites, whatever websites or company websites or other job agents or job company websites. I will mention, I've already made another video in Hindi for you, so please refer to my last video. In that I have mentioned a lot of actual resources where you can apply and where you can be in the system, so that whenever the job market opens, you will be the first to know, and you'll be the first picked up as well. So do that. And I feel, just be hopeful, just be patient, do not lose your hopes and patience, because it will take some time. So if you're applying for jobs, you can apply. If jobs is not happening, you can also apply for masters here in Sweden, so that you can study, you can get some new degree, new knowledge and new asset. Hey guys, if you have any specific requirement or specific question, please do email me at sparklewithjyoti@gmail.com. And also you can DM me on Instagram, Jyoti Sparkle, and I will reply only if it is genuine questions. Sometimes the questions are so vague, and I want to come to Sweden. I want to come to Sweden. Okay, fine, but what is your background? What are you doing? What is your goal? What is your ambition? I need to know all these things to reply, right? So please do make genuine questions. Do write your questions in detail, so I can understand and I can respond accordingly. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave your questions under this video. and I will reply. I promise I will reply. And yes, guys, that's it for me from my side today. And yes, just be hopeful, and there will be job market opening next year, so stay tuned for that, and just gear up and acquire new skills so that you will get picked up if you have the right skills, right? So thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. And yeah, please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. That motivates me to make more videos like this for you. And I will see you next time in my next video. Till then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye. Take care.